Okay, popular demand. We're doing a flower skull. It's going to be black metallic with a chameleon additive. And this is chameleon with... So we're going to pour both of those about the same time in there. And later tonight I might be able to demold, or early tomorrow morning. The best thing about the skulls is if you don't have enough resin made up, throw in a piece of whatever and it will fill it. Remember, hit that subscribe button and you'll get to see this be demolded and many more videos that we do. There you go.